Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepika Brown and I'm cabin crew by profession. So this is my very first YouTube video. Let's get started. आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अफोर्डेबल मेकअप. So स्टार्ट करते हैं मॉइस्चराइजर से. Lately I have discovered this moisturizer and this is from Pond's. This is their vitamin E plus glycerin moisturizer. Very hydrating, and this retails for the price 120 only, and a steal. So coming on to foundation. So the foundation that we have is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is medium to sheer coverage and retail for 500 rupees. I am in the shade 130 Buff Beige. This is a really nice foundation if you want for daily use. If you want something for party wear and you want something like very full coverage that can cover up your blemishes or any dark spot that you have, in fact acne marks and all, then we have this is also from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation and retails for 750 rupees. I am in shade 130 Buff Beige again. Moving on to concealer. Again, I have two options for you guys. The very first one is Maybelline Instant Age Remind Concealer. This comes for somewhat around like 620 rupees, and this is a very nice concealer and gives you a very nice coverage. If you want something on a much lesser price than the first one but still want nice coverage, then we have this is from Swiss Beauty and retails for 229 rupees. I am in shade number 02. Very nice concealer, gives you a nice coverage and you won't get any lines or something like that, and like very cheap price also. Coming on to compact or loose powder. The very first option that I have for you guys is this Maybelline compact powder. So I will show you how it is. This comes like this with a buffer. So I generally use it to just put it in my bag and can use it to do dab if I have any excess oil or I want to just retouch my makeup. And this comes for 185 rupees only. So I just put it in my bag and good to go. The one that I use to fix up my makeup is Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is for 695 rupees. I am in shade 15 Light. It's very nice and like you don't get those chunks, and you just need to put it and then leave it for some time and then just dust it off, and then you will be good to go. Coming on to eyeshadows. If you are somebody who likes metallic, or you're going for some party or marriage function and you want some shiny look, you can try out Swiss Beauty metallic eyeshadow. So I will show you how it is. So it comes with an applicator and see, very beautiful shade, and this is shade 03 Champagne, and you get it for like, how much I got it for? 199 rupees only. The second option that I have for you guys is this is Rose in the Air Wet n Wild palette. So you get option for mattes and then shimmers, and you get so many colors to play with. This retails for 499 rupees. एंड ऑब्वियसली कुछ ना कुछ ऑफर तो चलता ही रहता है. इवन आई गॉट दिस पैलेट ऑन ऑफर फ्रॉम नायका. देन द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव इज मस्कारा. Who don't want fuller lashes and see, I'm not somebody who uses falsies often, so I just prefer, my go-to product is mascara. I just love mascara and I can't do my makeup without mascara. So the one that is love for me is mascara from Maybelline. This is their colossal mascara. See, if you ask me, then I don't like mascaras which are waterproof. I like mascaras which are washable. So I don't go for waterproof mascaras. The reason behind is I feel that waterproof mascaras make my lashes like chipka, and I don't like that. I like my lashes to be flawless. So I always go for washable one. This is only for 399 rupees. And let's talk about blushes, contour and highlighter. So I've got everything in like one palette for you guys. The one which I use is this beautiful palette by Sugar, and then you can see how much I have used it, like to the core I have used it. And so you have a blusher, a highlighter and a bronzer. This retails for 799 if I'm not wrong, and again you can get it on discount only. Generally you don't have much discount on Sugar, but still you can check it out. 799 is also a steal, guys. Another option that I have for you guys is Swiss Beauty 8 Blush and Highlighter Palette. Beautiful palette. I will show you how it looks. Classy packaging, comes with a mirror, and this is how it is. Beautiful palette with so many color options. And guess the price. Guess the price. 399 rupees only. So I feel that it's not important कि अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है तो वो महंगा ही होना चाहिए. You have so many options nowadays in market which are of lesser price and are far better than the product which are on high range. So I love to experiment products. I love to find out dupes of the product. So if you are also interested in such kind of things, stay connected. Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and put it on all rather than personalized, because once you select the bell icon it will be on personalized video. So select all and do comment down below that what is your favorite product and what is your go-to product, or come up with the alternates. Then the getting on to the lipsticks, lipsticks that I like is coming on to the bullet one is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Formula. Retails for 299 rupees. And this one is in the shade Almond Pink. So it's a very nice nudish pink color. Second option I have for you guys in liquid lipsticks. So this is the one, Matte Me. This is like a very nice lipstick and has a stay. But the only advice that I would like to give you guys, if you want to go for this lipstick, you need to put on a moisturizer underneath so that your lips are not dried up. Once you put the moisturizer, you're good to go. This lasts long and formula is also good. The pigmentation is very nice. Moreover, in 199 rupees, you get variety of shade, whatever you want to go for. The one that I have is like a pinkish nude and comes for 199 rupees. Steal. Then coming on to eyeliners. This is a gel liner from Maybelline. I'm a big fan of Maybelline products because I think their pricing is decent. On top of that, the products are very nice. And yeah, I love going back to these products again and again. This is a gel liner for my kajal girls who love to put on kajal. This is like a duo product. You can use it as a liner also, and you can put it on waterline if you want to apply kajal. It comes with a brush applicator. The second liner that I'm gonna show you is a gem. Trust me, when I say it's a gem, it's a gem. And I have discovered it lately. This is a pen liner from Blue Heaven. And I will show you how the tip is, how precise. This is the tip, and see the pigmentation. This is the same liner that I have used today, and again I'm loving it. Then last but not the least, let's talk about blender and the brushes. So there are so many blenders in the market, but affordable and the best that I am currently loving is the one from Bronzer Professional. This is how it is. This is the new one. I haven't opened it. I am using one from Bronzer and the other one is from PAC, and this is my new purchase. It retails for 250 rupees. Very soft and don't absorb too much product, and I'm loving it. I got it from sale. If you are thinking that what brand you should go for brushes and you are on budget, so I would recommend that you should check out Miniso. They have super brushes and at affordable prices, and the quality is not compromised. So that is a fun thing. And see the cute product. I love these brushes. और बहुत ज़्यादा easy भी है application के लिए, and the price is just 350 for these 5 brushes. They have different type of brushes. I got these eye brushes. I have the powder brush from Miniso, and I'm like loving it. Then that's all about the video. Again, if you like it, please subscribe and like and comment below your favorite product. Till then, sit back, relax, and we'll be catching up soon.